Hey, this is Boulevard Broken. This is going to be a tutorial for the module Interconnections. It's a pretty simple module. Something to note before this, you do need edge work for this module, and you need to keep track of how many solved and unsolved modules you have. Now, premise of this module, using rules, you get 2 wire colors, and once you get those wire colors, you're going to open the machine, and you're going to cut every wire of those 2 colors, and then the module will solve. You have to do that within 15 seconds, but if you know your colors, it'll be pretty easy. So let's get started. So the first one, there is edge work rules. However, I think it is written in the wrong order, because at the end it says if there are no ports, the first wire color is blue after all of the calculations. So I would go ahead and check and make sure that, yeah, I have no ports. So our first wire color is blue. However, I would like to show you the module. So let's just do it like I did have to check. So if there are no ports, the color is blue. Only stereo RCA, the color is black. So I would actually read bottom to top on this one. So first let's get our deciphered number. What you do with this is you take the beeps of this. This is Morse, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, so the default color is just going to be a more muted version of it. So I think this is flashing gray. And it's flashing dash dash dot dot dot. So if we look in our Morse table, that's going to be 7 in Morse. What we do with this number is we, first of all, if it's equal to the number of indicators, I don't think we have 7 indicators. No, we have 1. So we're going to, the color of the LED would be our first wire in that case, but it isn't, so we're going to calculate battery count, which is 2, and the deciphered number, which is 7. So 2 plus 7 is 9, times the number of characters in the color of the LED. I'm imagining this is gray. Gray is 4 letters, so 9 times 4 is 36. And then we're going to take that modulo 9. Modulo just means subtract 9 until you get between 0 and 8. Luckily, it's a multiple of 9, so it's going to be 0. So this will be referred to as our calculated number. So 0 is our calculated number. We're going to use that row. Then if we had any of these ports, we would use that column. So if we had PS2 port, we would go in order. So if we had a DVI and a PS2, we would use the DVI column. And our first color would be yellow. However, we don't have any ports, so we can skip that. Isn't that nice? So first color is blue. Second rule is the solved, keeping track of the number of solves. You take the ratio of solved on the left and unsolved on the right, determine the color. So if we look at the bomb I have here, I have nothing on the back, dear Lord. I have nothing on the back, so I have 1 solved module to 2 unsolved modules. So that is a ratio of 1 to 2. It is not 1 to 2 is not less than 1 to 2. It is less than 1 to 1. Notice how it doesn't say less than or equal to, just less than. So the ratio is less than 1 to 1. So our second wire color is black. Now at this point, if we were to get blue for some reason, we would pick a different first color by going to wherever we got it in the row and column, and then just taking the next one in reading order. So the one to the left of it. Okay. Oh, sorry, the first row of the table, not the row we used. So let's just say we got black and black, then we would choose red. And if we got blue and blue, the next one would wrap around, it would be yellow. So now that we have our 2 colors, blue and black, we can go to the module and open it up, cut every blue and black wire. The hitboxes are a little wonky, but you have time to make sure your cuts are going in the right places. I'll go ahead and do another one quickly. In fact, I can just do it in my head. I know I have known port so the color is blue. And then my second color, it is 2 to 1, so it is not less than 2 to 1. So the second one is blue as well. So I go to my first row, go 1 over, so it's blue and yellow. And let's cut blues and yellows. If I can reach it, there you go. It's solved. Okay. Yeah, that one is a little easier tutorial, as don't listen to the Zen mode timer. I had this open for quite a while on accident. But yeah, cool. Now you know interconnections. Bye.